bit of a sigh of relief, you know, at least it's the first hurdle over. It was very good. I was pleased. Yeah, pleased how it went.
In South Manchester, PC Paul Loden has finally overcome the trials and tribulations of his sat-nav and got Oscar to the place they're meant to be. A housing estate where a thief on the run from the courts is thought to be holed up.
Do we know where he is, or where he was last seen? And is it all boxed up?
It's going to make Oscar's job that much harder.
It becomes a big game. It's a game between us and the people we're actually chasing. Their game is to get away from us. Our game is to catch them.
Where is it? Where is it?
Oscar is trained to pick up minute traces of human scent. He has escaped through the police cordon and is long gone, thanks to the problems with the sat-nav.
I was getting nothing at all in here.
Coming up with nothing on the job is bad enough. If Ruby, the wannabe police dog, doesn't pass the final part of her exam, it'll be a disaster for her and Sergeant Midgley. The examiners have considered...
What's this? Rubes, yeah, Rubes. Good girl.
Thanks, love, yeah.
Oscar's also running short on time and finding the going difficult. He and PC Loden have been searching for...
We must have done about another 15 gardens, including all the outbuildings, wheelie bins, anything at all. He's been in that garden for a while. So I knew we were close.
That's where he's gone.
Good girl. Oh.
Sergeant Midgley has no idea whether Ruby is getting close to the bullets she needs to find.
Yeah, what's this? Rubes, yeah, what's this? What's this?
Body language and tail are saying.
Yeah, Rubes, oh.
When Ruby shakes, she thinks she's found something.